Hello, good morning, beautiful people. Today's video is about driving me from my apartment to work, but this is a translation from Ukrainian into English. So I'm in my underground parking, walking towards my car, and I bought this bracket to use it for the cameras. But unfortunately, the bracket was a little bit too big. I have to modify it to use it, but I still put it between my passenger seat and my headrest. And let's go. You see, 24 cameras. Nice. I can see every post here. Too many posts and it's too tight here. And let's go out. Seems to be like a beautiful day outside today. Temperature is gonna be high 34, 35. Right now it's only about 19 degrees Celsius, but it is only 6:46 in the morning. And I like to show you whatever. Some people interested to buy a car, see how it looks like from inside, have some first-time experience. It's like you like riding a car, RAV4 Limited Hybrid, sitting in a passenger seat. Even this camera is not totally secured, but you'll still have feel. I like the suspension a lot about this car. Suspension is great. Even we have a lot of bumps here, a lot of potholes. But suspension is great. But the most important is the fuel economy. Fuel economy for me, when I'm going from home from here to work, 24.4 kilometers, average fuel per 100 clicks, 4.4, 4.5 liters per 100 clicks. So if you divide it, let's say by 100 by 24, so it comes to about 1 liter and a bit I spend on fuel going to work and coming back from work. So with fuel prices being so high, I'm saving big time now. I'm at this traffic light at Collegiate now, and I will show you one thing today, how the car keeps in lane and keeps the distance on its own. I tried this a few times before, but this video is about I'm going on a 165 and 90, and it's a little shorter thing here. You can see on my big GPS there, but this is like more faster because if you go through downtown, it's gonna be about 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers less by driving, but bumper to bumper and plus construction. So I'm trying to find some music now here on this thing, but it's just sometimes because parking underground, I'm losing the satellite reception. The communication between XM radio is lost underground. And every time almost I have to hit it and try to find it. Even my XM radio is only for 3 months, temporary. I'm not going to extend it, but it's good to know, good to use for a while. When I come to the work, XM radio doesn't disconnect because I'm parked outside. But being inside, it's really underground parking, second level under. It's not really a good thing. And you see, I'm just going to accelerate a little bit here, and I put hands free now. I put cruise control at 82, and I'm driving, the car driving on its own. But if I see the red light is too far, I'm gonna slow down a lot quicker because I don't wanna go and then the car is gonna slam brakes before coming back. You see? This is like fast forward about 4 or 5 times, depends on what stretch. And as you see, at this time of the day, we still have not much traffic. That's why I decided to leave a little bit too early and start my work at 7:30 instead of going for 8. If I go for 8, I spend about 10-15 minutes more in traffic. And this is it.
Strip with the top peeled back, sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth, so smooth. track, got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be the same. We riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go. Magic is the only way to go. Beach bikes rolling, you know it. Beach bikes rolling, you know it. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go.
Here I am at the parking lot. It took me 30 minutes, and fuel average was 4.4 liters per clicks. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.